That's the finished product. Not perfect, but pretty damn good. Of course, I did the piston as well. Just make sure not to polish anywhere where the gasket goes, because the polished surface is actually hard to seal. So I'm pretty much ready to throw this all back together. And I think it's stock compression and stock size, but when I clean this off, I see it's a Pro X piston, so I have to look up that number, see if it's stock bore. Alright, so my phone went dead, so I didn't record any of this, but got it all together, ready to go in the frame. Probably do it tomorrow, I'm not sure. As I've said before, I got some health issues. I ain't feeling very well, so I'm not sure when I'll get to it, but hopefully pretty soon. And tune in to the next one or the next couple if you want to see it run.